Today is January 12, 2015, 8:30 in the morning in Jeddah City. I want to update you regarding my bell peppers. So, here are my bell peppers. I don't know what color is, if it's yellow or red, but I will show you. 7, so there's around 12 little, or more than a dozen. And the other one, I'm thinking of, they said if you harvest it green, it will yield more flowers. And maybe it's true because this one, it has no flowers anymore. But the other one, gandang umaga! Ngayon ay January 14, 2015. At gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung harvest ng bell peppers ko. Kailangan para mamulak. Apat pa rin kung ako. Pero, pagka daw kinuha mo siya, pag pinik mo yung ah, una, na medyo maliliit pa, mas lalaki daw yung susunod na mga fruits niya. So, okay. Thank you for watching.